Okay, we've been having a bit of trouble with our BMW E46 Compact. As you can see, the EML, which I believe is engine management light, is currently illuminated. And what we're going to do is hook it up to this scan tool that we have. This is the Autel GS500, and we're going to see if it will read any fault codes. The ignition is actually on at this stage. So the code found, as you can see here, it says there are 3 codes. So will it allow us to read the codes? BMW. Right. So there we go. P0102, which tells us mass or volume airflow A, circuit low. Then we've got P1531, B, camshaft position actuator control open circuit, and then 1525, camshaft position actuator open circuit bank 1. So these are all faults that we're going to need to look at in the BMW E46. So we'll just run through these again. Sorry, what I'll also tell you is that the problems that we've been having with the vehicle, it seems to be sort of cutting out, and it sort of, whenever you're at junctions or anything like that. So to me it seems like there might be a problem with the mass airflow meter, and also 1 or 2 camshaft sensors. Well, there's the codes, so P0102, P1525 and P1531, and that is in the BMW E46.